Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to do this quick video. I got this bolt that broke off inside this frame here, hardened steel. I went through like a dozen drill bits, not even making a dent in this thing. So I just went out and I got these Stinger Mach blue armor plated bits from Spyder. This is an American company. These things look awesome and they work great. This thing is just eating through this bolt like it's butter. Look at that. That's impressive. They're a little bit pricey, but these things work and they'll save you a ton of time. Check them out.